Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox not laggy. First, let's dive into immediate adjustments. Begin by lowering your in-game graphics settings. This significantly reduces the load on your system. Next, close any applications running in the background, including browser tabs, as they consume valuable processing power and memory. Finally, confirm your internet connection is stable and strong, ideally with a download speed of at least 25 megabits per second, to prevent network-related delays. Moving on, let's optimize your system and software. It's crucial to keep your graphics drivers updated. Outdated drivers can cause significant performance issues. Regularly clear your computer's temporary files and cache, as accumulated data can slow down your system over time. Additionally, ensure your operating system is fully updated, as these updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes that can improve your gaming experience. Now, let's consider your network and hardware. For more stable and faster connection, always prefer an Ethernet cable over Wi-Fi, reducing latency and packet loss. If possible, upgrading your computer's RAM to at least 8 GB can dramatically improve multitasking and game loading times. Also, verify that your CPU and GPU meet or exceed Roblox's recommended specifications for optimal performance. Finally, let's explore some advanced optimization techniques. In Windows settings, disable full-screen optimizations for the Roblox application. This can sometimes resolve frame rate issues. Change your power plan to high performance to ensure your computer prioritizes gaming. Lastly, make it a habit to regularly restart both your router and computer. This simple step can clear up minor glitches and refresh network connections, leading to smoother gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.